taking this beautiful walk in the California Redwood forest. We're over here by Camp Meeker. No one else is awake, but we just got lush greenery as far as the eye can see. I definitely wouldn't consider this a freeway. I take about a third of it, and I'm not even in a car. Let's come back to this. We got the moss. This looks like the base, like it could be the base of a redwood tree. Or at least a part of it. Can't quite count the rain. Never seen anything like this. Take a step back. I'm about 5.5 feet tall, and it's only about 2 inches shorter than me, so the diameter over 5 feet, not bad. It's so much beauty. Everything kind of blends in with the forest theme. All the colors are either green or stained the same color of the redwoods. Now these are my kind of hiking trails. I just saw a beautiful bushy gray squirrel, a lot different than the squirrels we see over in Texas that are more reddish tan. Even the deer out here are darker, much darker. They're like almost brown. Again, the reoccurring theme. Redwoods as tall as they can be. Sun's poking through. Crazy elevation. Some branches falling down the cliff. And one of these redwood branches fall, and you have to watch out. That could easily result in death. Here's an example.